DPI World Report, Episode 25. Visibility. What changes when systems can be seen? A data pass does not solve a problem. It changes who can see it. Episode 24 demonstrated what can be observed. Episode 25 asks what that visibility actually does. Visibility does not create agreement. It creates exposure. When systems are visible, assumptions surface. Timelines shorten. Excuses thin out. Contradictions stop hiding in spreadsheets and meetings. This is why visibility is resisted. Not because the data is wrong, but because it forces alignment with reality. In closed systems, failure is ambiguous. In visible systems, failure has a timestamp. Digital public infrastructure does not eliminate uncertainty. It reallocates it. From communities to institutions, from the margins to the center. When river levels are public, delay becomes a choice. When thresholds are known, inaction becomes legible. When history is preserved, revision leaves a trace. This is the quiet power of visibility. It does not command, it constrains. What visibility does not do is guarantee action. That still requires authority. It still requires protection for decision makers. And it still requires consequence when systems drift. But visibility removes plausible deniability, and that alone reshapes behavior. In systems we have observed, 3 changes follow sustained visibility. First, response becomes procedural, not political. Second, debate shifts from whether to act to how. Third, trust moves from personalities to process. These are not small changes. They are structural. Episode 25 marks the hinge between observation and verification. Once systems are visible, the next question is inevitable. Can what we see be trusted over time, across actors, under pressure? That question leads us directly to the next phase. This is the DPI World Report, and this is Episode 25, Visibility. What changes when systems can be seen?